Hello, today I'm gonna unbox Doqaus Bluetooth headphones Care 1. They have 3 eco modes: high resolution, tremble, mid-range and bass, and of course the last one, heavy bass. They're fully wireless. Yes, I bought them on Amazon for $39. And let's see what we have in the box. Okay. Music lover, extended warranty 18 months and more. Good stuff. And let's see what we have inside. We have a bag to store headphones. Let's see, there is something inside. User manual. Charging cable. And if you run out of battery, you have a cable to listen to music. Let's see if there's a microphone. No, there is no microphone. Something else inside, I think. Okay, and let's see what is inside the plastic. Wow, very cool. Protection tape here. Volume up, volume down. Pause and play button, EQ button and power button. Here is a charging cable. For cable, if you run out of the battery. They look very nice, chic. Good design, solid, pretty big. So I hope you'll be very satisfied with them. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.